of change. What is percent decrease? Percent decrease occurs when new value is smaller than the original value. So first, to find percent decrease, we have to find decrease first. So the formula for decrease will be original value minus the new value, because in this case, the original value will be greater than the new value. And the formula for percent decrease will be decrease by original value multiply 100%. So it's very easy, very similar to percent increase. In that case, in the numerator, we write increase upon original value multiply 100%. But for percent decrease, we write decrease by original value multiply 100%. And what is decrease? We have to find the difference between the original and the new value. Let's see an example. A laptop's price drops from $900 to $750. What is the percent decrease? Now we have to find the percent decrease. Before that, let's find decrease. How much decrease is here? So the formula for decrease, original value minus new value, because original value is greater. So 900 minus 750 will be 150. We have the decrease. Now let's apply the percent decrease formula, which is decreased by original value multiply 100%. Now the decrease is 150. Let's put the values here. 150 by, and the original value is 900. 150 by 900 multiply 100%. Let's do the cutting. Two zeros will cut with two zeros. 9 and 15 cutting is possible. 9 ones are 9. 9 50s are 150. Now we are left with 50 by 3%, and we can divide it and can write it in decimal form, that is 16.67%. So the price dropped dropped 16.67%. Let's see another example. A school's enrollment decreases from 1,200 students to 1,080 students. Calculate the percent decrease. Again, in this case, we have to find percent decrease. Before that, find decrease. Decrease formula, original value minus new value. Original value, 1,200 minus 1,080. That is 120 is the decrease here. You just need to find a difference between these two. Now, percent decrease formula is decrease by original value multiply 100%. Decrease is 120 by 1200 multiply 100%. Let's do the cutting. Zeros with two zeros. 12 and 120. 12 ones are 12. 12 tens are 120. So now we are left with 10 by 1 is 10%. 10 multiply 1, that is 10%. So therefore, the enrollment decreased by 10%. This exercise is for you to solve. A car's value decreases from $20,000 to $16,000. Find the percent decrease. The formula is very easy. Find the decrease, the difference between these two, and then the percent decrease formula is decrease by original value, which is $20,000 multiply 100%. Find the value. Write the answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming videos. Bye bye.